we're getting into international stories right here, and we're talking about IShowSpeed. IShowSpeed has decided to tap into the Ghanaian in him, okay? Because just some time ago, I watched a video, I think today, I watched a video where he was playing the Ghana national anthem on his stream. And finally, he's back to streaming after having a long pause. You know, he had a lot of rounds that he made in Africa, so he took some time to rest, so he's back to streaming, and it looks like he is excited about being Ghanaian. But let's get into it. Popular internet personality IShowSpeed has reacted to President John Dramani Mahama's comment about him, saying he will be returning to Ghana. The streamer, who recently revealed his Ghanaian heritage, has attracted widespread attention from Ghanaian fans, with many welcoming his renewed interest in the country. Let's take a look.
The president of Ghana talking about you.
Recently, my children were all excited about some young man from America called IShowSpeed, or I don't know what his name is, who came to Ghana.
That's my name, IShowSpeed.
And, one of my children showed me a video of him in a shea butter museum of some sort. And it's one of our northern sisters who has.
This is the president of Ghana.
Museum. And I remember when we were young, this Korea, all of us remember that when our younger sisters used to play and pass those stones. And this young man was lucky. I saw him lying down, and about 10 girls, all with shea butter, were massaging this boy.
Oh, Chad, the president watched my stream,
and the way
bro.
He was enjoying it. He opened his mouth as if he couldn't breathe.
Yo.
That guy, I'm sure he'll come back here.
Damn right.
Wow, that's an amazing one. IShowSpeed was very amazed with that. But ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have for you today on MX BREAKZ right here on MX24 TV. My name is Stephanie Flashley. You can send in your comments on our social media page at MX24GH. Your additions are very much welcome. Now, we'll come your way same time next week. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.